Drip irrigation plays a vital role in saving water. After years of testing, the inlaid dripper drip line has been widely recognized and has brought about earth-shaking changes to the alkaline water industry. In recent years, the demand for inlaid dripper drip line has increased dramatically, but inlaid dripper drip line has higher requirements for production speed and precision, so the technical level of the production line is extremely important. Let's see this drip irrigation pipe production line with a production speed of more than 300 meters per minute. This is our new generation production line with international advanced level. In terms of hardware, it is equipped with a double screening tray and 6-hole punching device. Panasonic 750-watt motor is used for punching, which can maintain stability under long-term high-speed operation. The extruder increases the screw length to diameter ratio to improve the plasticizing effect. The winding uses a 3 kilowatt Panasonic servo. The motor greatly improves response speed and stability. Now that I have introduced the hardware part to you, I will introduce the software part to you in the next issue.